Hello guys, let's go for the tests, and I wrote one test here. So we tested with many, like there is 30 tests for creating user. Very thoroughly we tested, and right now we're going to test for next function, which is this one function. And I already see an error here, not error, but I missed something. I want to check for the user ID. So it will be proper, it will be number. So I tried couple of tests already, but let's go from again. We're going to use invalid ID. We're going to for the string first of a. We're going to test it. It's going to pass by. It's all good. So let's explore it a little. Should create a user. No, what? That we passed by. We don't need that. Oh, that's sad. User repository 3 should retrieve a user by ID. So we need to look at this one. All of this skipped tests. We need to look at this one. Should retrieve a user by ID. It didn't fail, which is good. So this one is good one. We retreated it. Should return null for non-existent ID. It returned null. We expect it to be null. And that test should return an error for invalid user ID, which we did. What if I let's, for instance, error. Let's do this one. See if my message fails here. It's also passed. Interesting. Should to contain, message to contain, message to be. Let's make it more precise. It's also didn't fail. Let's actually log this one. Just console.log. Did it? Okay. Let's try to do this. Where is it? What? Why I don't see log of error? Duration start, 3 passed, 15 skipped. Wait, that didn't work out. Interesting. Let's try to do it in the exact place in repository. Here is error, but it doesn't fail into the error. Also, I noticed that it's not. Sure. Okay, let me redo it a little. I'll be in second back. I didn't even need to make on pause. I just need to move upper rows into the try closure. So test run. Where's the... I don't understand why I don't get this error message. That's quite strange. I'm running get user by ID. Get user by ID. Wait a second. It is so dumb. Ah, no, I do. Get user by ID, my goodness. Try catch. That's right. Why don't I get this message? Error mapping user row. Should be on the backend. What the heck is going on? It feels like I'm not testing in the right place, but I'm in the right place too. I got it. If something goes wrong, I fall here. I kind of don't like this. First of all, I don't check for the wrong ID. That's first part I don't like. I'm coughing right now too much. And second of all, I don't throw error. Well, that's understandable. Return get user by ID, return null. I understand that. I understand that. But I need to throw error on bad user ID. That's the first. And I don't want to return null here. I don't want to return null here. I need to throw the error so it bubbles up into the front end. So let me redo it a little bit and I'll be back. Okay, so now it should fall into the right place. What I've done, I checked for the type. User ID should be number and it should be positive. If it's neither of this, I mean, if it's not positive number, it throws the new error, this one. Then return null is okay here. If length is 0, if we couldn't find any user. And I throw new error if I didn't, if some kind of mistake bubbles up. So that's much better. And that's why we need to have tests, very useful ones. So let's try to check. Now it should throw error, but not this kind of. It must be different one. We'll see. It will fail on the test right now. That's what I want. That's what I want to say. So 2 passed and 1 fail. Which one fail? Yep, that's the wrong message. The difference is here. We got expected error retrieving, but received error retrieving user ID by DA. You provided A. Okay. So let's copy this. We're going to move it here. So now it shouldn't fail. I will precisely leave it A right now here, but then I'll redo it. Sorry, I'm coughing today. I don't know why. I need to take water or tea. Okay, so we're going to test it right now, and we shouldn't fail right now. It's all good. We pass through. Very nice. Now, user ID. If I put right now here -1, well, what we should do? We should create constant here. Constant user ID except, and put it not just use the user ID. As any, yeah, it's all good. And put here this and that. This and here $, figured ones. Да что такое? Use. I want to cough. Sorry, guys. I don't want to cough, but my body wants to cough. Okay, so let's see if we can pass this test. Failed. Why we failed? To be. What? Oh, where? Why I can't find it? You provided a. Oh my God. What? A. Okay, it's extra not needed here. Let's try it again. Here. Okay, we're good. We passed test. Now let's do it -1 here. We again should be passing all 3 tests. If last one fails, I mean -1. Why it wants A? What the heck is going on? Why it wants A? Expected A? Are you kidding me? It's literally user ID, and here's user ID. What? I don't get it. Let's try it one more time. To be. I see. That's one here. Okay, good. I found it. $, user ID. Please don't change anything else. Okay, let's try it one more time. I was like, why it wants A? Okay, we all passed it. We're good. So should we try? Let's try it. So it's a string, I guess. So that function is done. That function is good. We don't need to return to it anymore. Well, at least for the nearest future. Get user by ID. Next one, we're going to be testing get user by email. Shared config. No. I actually need to GitHub it, to post it into GitHub, because it takes my attention. I come, instead of being here, I come here. Takes my attention away. Okay, so we can, oh my goodness, what is going on? It's routes. Yeah, we don't need to go to routes. We need to go to there. Attention, we need to go to there. My goodness, users test. So we can close this one. Test. And I'll be back in 5 seconds. So I made a test method for, by the way, I moved everything to GitHub right now. So we're testing not this one, but this one. What do we see here? What I don't like? Again, I don't check email here, that it is string. Actually, again, return null, so I need to redo it. I mean, I don't need to redo it, I need to fix it. I need to fix this method. And let's come back. I'll come back in a second. So I fixed it. We checking for the email, it will be string. And if it's empty, then we throw the new error. If user row length return null, it's right. Return this, it's right. It wanted actually to throw the error here. It wanted to throw the error here. Do we need to return error here? No, I don't think we need to return null, because we can return user or null. When we don't find anybody, then we return null. We could return, yeah, null. It's right. Map user row. If we returning zero index error. I mean, zero index user of an array of users if they will be found several of them, and then we throw error here too, so it's all good like that seems. So let's do this way also. Const email, we accept it, but instead of string we will do number. Here we will set it like this. We will skip this one, we don't need it anymore. We passed this test already. We don't want to skip this one. Okay, and let's test it right now and see if it will be good or not good. We have two fails. Так, first of all, should retrieve user by email. I think I don't have this email with user test. Root user at mail.com. let's do test admin, copy field, paste example.com. I don't need that here. So that should fix this. And it's annoying. I was doing this and I didn't do that. Okay, fine. And we don't have right message here, I bet. Not expected null to be not to be null. Чего? What? Expect user 269. 269. Not to be null. So okay, let's try it again because I think it's fails. One test fails twice. What? What the heck? I spilled the tea. I'm so much focused on the tests that I spilled tea on my keyboard. I want to get a keyboard breaker. How it called? Keyboard breaker. Not medal. Title. I want to get keyboard breaker title. So I spilled water on my keyboard, but it didn't work right now. I mean, it works right now, so my title is avoiding me. Okay, all passed, which is interesting. My message is good. Let's look at the message itself. Repository. I do have message and I do have error. And I do have a mail here. Why? It passed. That's very strange. But it passed. It did pass. Three once. Let's try to change to this one now. Run. All passed. Wait a second, I suspect something is wrong with this. Yeah, sure, it's wrong. I need to move this inside of that. My goodness. Now it's not going to pass. It passed. What the heck? Why? Return null if return null. Yeah, if it's 0, but if it's not a mistake. I throw an error right now. Let me think about it. Yeah, sure. I was checking for the string, which so far I tested, and they all strings. That was a string, and that was a string. And if we trim it, they won't be empty. Of course, I didn't fall into the error. So now if email is length is more than 255, or it's not approved by email regex test, then I will follow in error, and then we should fail test. Last one test. Yeah, we failed one test. To pass, one failed. The exact message is wrong. Oh, it's interesting. Okay. Let's copy. You provided. Received. Так. Expected. Let's copy expected message. Control C. We're going to copy it into the test. We're going to substitute this one. Actually, let's match them. What's wrong with this message? Expect. Accept. To be. And we copy message, Control V. They are identical. Expected. I received. What did I receive? Control C. Okay, so what did I get? Error retrieving user by email. That's right. Now we get an error, I guess. No. We get actually email which I provided. To be, let's remove this line here. Email, and then we'll do $, this one, and email. Oh, okay. I need to change it here. Berlin. Here. Change it to this one. So then we give email, then we give error, invalid mail, email. Why would I format invalid email? Okay. Email must be email must include and a domain. Email. I received this one. Error invalid email. Mail must be a non-empty string. You provided. Oh, come on. Control C. Invalid email. Control V. You provided email. Let's try it again. Let's see if it fails. So let's try to take a test. So we passed all three once. Let's come back to that. To the first case. We passed all three tests. That's good. Let's go to the third case. which is in domain is wrong. We passed all 3 tests, that's good. Let's go to the fourth case. Oh, I guess the last one will be failing. It's all passed good. And let's go to the last test. It's all good. So it's all good. So that's done. This function is done. We did all fixes it needed. And so far it should work. So we're closing this. We're skipping it. Skip it. And then we closing it. And then we actually do this. Test it. Test it. Okay. What you don't like? When an error. Okay, okay. What? Email. Why does numbers not? Okay. I see. Let's close this. Open this so we don't have any errors. Okay, let's close this one. Next we're going for, so we done this, we fixed this method. We moving on find users method. I will not search every user criteria. I will test couple of criteria which I want to test by. I want to, what do I have? I will want, first of all, I will be using by status and role and by ID. These 3 criteria I'll be searching by ID. No, these 2 criteria is enough for right now, for so far. I will be testing by role and by status. We'll be looking for them. And so we can get 1 user or 3 users. 1 user or 3 users. So that's my aim for the testing right now. So I'll be back in a couple of seconds. So we're going to test now the find users. I decided to test it with string looking for email match. That's the first test. That shouldn't fail. Each should contain this string which we are looking for. Each user we found. And we have 3 users with the test. So it should find 3 users. To be greater than 0, actually let's do one more. Control C, Control V. To be length to be 3. I don't know. It's good for 1 test. No, it's not good. No, I will remove it. Greater than 0. Okay, so let's try to test it. So we skip this one. We're good with these ones. We have 3 tests. And this one should fail. That's non-existent email. that we string put here, and user length expect to be 0, and is array users to be true, so it will be empty array. So let's see if I fail anywhere. Let's look, no, let's don't look at the function right now even. Let's just do tests. One failed. To be greater than 0. What happened? Generally it's object. Interesting. To be greater than 0. Do we look for exact match? User repository. Find users. Filter. User queries close. Where? I need to think about it. Let me think. Okay, so for the test, I before getting them by mail, I try to receive all users, list of users, to check if something is wrong with them. So let's try it. Still failed. Oh, wait a second. I'm failing second one. I'm failing second test, not first one. There is all users. They are printed out. Let's check them. ID 11, which is this one. ID 10, which is this one. ID 9, this one. And ID... What? ID 9. Where's root? 11, 10, 9, 8. What is going on? Why so many times I... Wait a second. Let's copy this one. Let's trash it. Terminal new. cd into the project back and test it again. Oh my god, it's okay. Okay, now we can see how it's going to be. It's very long somehow. So second repository, the console here. Actually, let's do remove console from here, I guess. Don't need it anywhere else. Console, get user, find user. Do we have console here? We don't have console here. I don't see it anywhere, so let's again trash it again. Sorry. New terminal, cd into project back, and into test. I tell you why I'm doing this, because when I CLS clean it, it doesn't clean, it's actually just goes down to the rows. So don't see previous one. I need clean, completely clean one. One failed, and we're failing second test with partial match, 45 milliseconds. What? So we do find the mails. Interesting. What we find? Okay. Let's in 9 std out user repository. It's from the test. Why it prints out twice? 10, 9, 8. First time it prints out good, but the second time it prints out bad. Wait a second. Yeah, of course it's twice. Sure thing. And we find 3 users, which is right. Why it's failing to? Why it's failing? It finds 3 users, 1, 2, 3, with the ID 9, 10, 11, which is right. Pending and admin. User status. Wait a second. My condition is wrong. User role is going to be admin. And user status is pending. Here we go. Now we shouldn't fail this test. But why it prints out? I don't know why it prints out 3 users. What the heck? Let's comment this out. This test is good. This test is good. I don't have questions about it. That's all good. I have questions about this test. So let's CLS it and I'll show you. If I do CLS, you see it still stays here. Wait a second. Okay, so let's don't worry about this. So now we set this right row, this right row. That time I commented out this left. So we should get three users. This, and that. So let's try it. All passed this time. So we get 1, 2, and 3 users. How about now we will switch into the root here and to the active here, because it's root and active. Should be 1 user now be found. Let's try it. All passed because it's greater than 0, and we found only 1 user. So search is also working properly. It's good. I actually don't have any how you call when you want to complaints about. I don't have any complaints about it. It sounds good. It returns 0 if we don't find. It's throw error safe here. Invalid criteria search. Okay. We're validating there. Let's go. It's good. So we can forget about this for right now. And move on. We tested create user. We don't need to test this one. It works too. Now login user. We're going to move to login user. Okay. So I'll see you in a second. You want to hear something funny? Login user, right? But you know what? I forgot the passwords which I've done for them. For these users, maybe I wrote down somewhere this password. I need to look it up right now. I'll see you in a second. Wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. I know where to find the passwords. We were creating them while testing them. So we should be able to find passwords here. Yes, here we go. Okay, I got scared for a second. I thought I forgot passwords completely. Okay, they're here. Good. Okay, made test for the for login user here. Now let's look at it very quickly. Don't I like something about it? Login user. Get user by email. Yes, I don't like. I don't check on email and password, so they will be strings. That's the first things I don't like. I throw error here. That's right. Return if not password match, throw error. So only one thing I don't like. I don't check initially email and password. So let me fix it very fast. So I changed this function method. I check for the email and password. If they're not provided, it will throw the error. If it's wrong, if email is wrong type, and we checking it with email regex, it will throw error. If password is wrong type or anything wrong with this, it will throw the error. I changed the messages a little bit so it will be more informative. Like I say what email was provided and if password was provided or not provided. Of course, we can't say which password it will be. It was provided. We cannot do this. We just can say if it was provided or not provided. And then throw the error. So let's look how it works now. Where is it? Tests. So let's, I won't do anything else. Described, we'll skip these ones. Skip. And we do this. What I'm testing, it should return the user here. So user should not be null. That one should not return user because wrong password. So expected message, of course, it will be wrong. And this one should not return a user because email is wrong, not existent email. So the message will be different, but we'll see what kind of message is that and then copy it if it's right by meaning of it. So let's do it. 3 failed. Wow, I didn't expect 3 failed. Okay. You provided error login in user, invalid password. Are they different for different users? It would be bad. That's admin. Yeah, what I'm trying to, oh my gosh. Where is the password? So test admin 5, I see it's, I don't have, but I see it's always the same password. Test admin 5. Test admin 5. It should be one same password. It should be same password. Test admin 4. Do we have test? No, we don't have test admin 4. We have test admin 2. Password short. Let's try this one. If it will work, that would be wonderful. Test admin 2. I don't have test admin 2. Oh my god. Where is the test admin? Do we have test admin? Just simple test admin? We have test admin 1. I see test admin 1 with the same password. Let's try test admin 1. Test, no skipping. Why are you trying to make me skip this test? Test admin 1. Test admin. No. Actually, yeah. Test admin 1. And that's message changed, but it will be wrong anyway. Let's see. Okay, let's see how these tests will pass by. So 3 failed. Fudge. Fudge, I'm in trouble. Oh my god. That's the first, that's the second. Error login in user. Password must not be an empty. You provided passport. Match required pattern. Where is what is going on? Test admin 1. Test admin 1. Test admin 1. Test admin 1. Oh, wait a second. Login, right? No, I do check it. Here's one. Decrypt compare. Should be good. This should be this one password. Hashed password. Control C. Maybe I'm using the wrong password. Don't know. Password 1, 2, 3, 4. Control V. The same password. Exactly the same password. What is going on? Login user. User repository. Login user. Email. Not to be new. And it's failing. Let me try it again. Okay, I saw. Oh, wait second. Wait second. It's failing. No. Okay, let me drop it. I want to see the start. Run terminal, new terminal. cd into project back and then test. then test running. Okay, 3 failed. What the first one failing with? We have only 3 tests here. 1, 2, and 3. 3 tests only. 3 failed. All of them skipped. Should login a user with correct credentials. What it doesn't like about it. Enter login user. Invalid password. Password must be non-empty string between 8 and 255. Ah, I see what is going on. I see what is going on. Of course, sure. When I was creating that users, when I was creating the users, I created this password. It's the right password. It's the same password which I need to use. But right now, it's testing for the special symbols in it. Let me see. Let me see. Where is it? Where is it? Shared config. Shared config. Yes. Password regex. It's asking. So these letters or these letters. So capital letters or smaller letters or digitals, or any of these signs will be in this password. It must be not smaller than 8 symbols, and so this test does not pass by because none of these symbols in this password. So if I would have at least that would work, but right now it doesn't. So what I'm going to do, I don't want to change the password right now. I'm going to go to repository. I'm going to switch off this for a second. So I'm going to copy this, Control C, then I'm going to switch it off, copy here, and I'm going to throw this out. No, for right now. And now it should pass the first test. Okay. It passed. So it failed 2 tests. It passed the first test. It was very long too. I don't know why it was so long. 915 milliseconds, it's quite long. Normally we would expect 200, 300 maximum milliseconds. But it passes, but very slow. Why? Let's do it again one more time. Maybe right now it will be quicker. Maybe something was wrong with... No, 905 milliseconds. What? Why it's so long? Okay. That's very long. Too long. So what's wrong with these messages? Let's go back to test. We're going to close this for right now, don't need it. So we have passed this, so we're going to skip for right now this thing. Skip it, skip it. And we're going to focus on this one. We got wrong messages. Error login, you provided. So this part is excluded for right now. So we're going to copy this one. Control C. Copy into the first. And copy into the second message. And so right now we should pass this to emails. I mean, to logins. So let's see that. Ah, I know why it's so long. Because we check this, we check that, we check this. Then we're going to, oh my God. Oh my God, I need to make it a little bit more sophisticated here. I forgot completely. Okay, let me just a second, I'll be back. No, it's all good. I don't need, I was thinking maybe I need to have here pool connection right like this, but no, I don't need it there. I don't need it there at all. So it's all good. It's all good. Let's try to test it right now. Let's see if we fail this test. Two more tests. No, it's all good. We passed all of the tests right now. So yes, I accept it. We can forget right now this. For right now, we can forget this login user. We tested it, it worked all. The one thing we only need to return is this. We need to remove this. And recover that. Okay. So it's all good. Now we can close this and test update password. Oh my gosh. Oh, by the way, it's good because we can update password to the right password now. Okay. So I'll come back in 5 seconds.